We're here today at the Pennypack watershed, and I'm going to show you what our project is. We're trying to get this tree out of the Pennypack Creek here so that it doesn't dam up. We got Mike Tatey starting to limb out some of these branches. Drew Slowski and Kirk Lawley from the Pennypack. You can see where this tree was along the stream bank here and uprooted, went across the creek. All right, we got a strap on this branch that Mike just cut. We're gonna try to boom down with the crane, see if we can't at least pull it out of here. Flip it right out of there, come on. There it is. Here we are, tree number 2, another large beech tree, a lot bigger than the other beech tree. There's a view of Mike getting set up. He's actually using some ropes and some rigging so he can safely cut off some of the portions of the crown of the tree. Well, that branch is cut and it's free, so we're putting a choker around it. We're going to use the crane. Okay. Good look at how everything was damming up again, and now the dam will be no longer. Well, here's the after shot of the potential for damming has been eliminated. Again, great view. The Pennypack Creek. Giroud volunteering some workers, myself, our crew, and equipment just to help out around here. And that's a wrap.